Is your current phone starting to feel a bit outdated? Are you ready for the next big thing in the world of smartphones? If so, you might want to consider the Google Pixel series, specifically the Google Pixel 8a, 8, and 7a. The Google Pixel A series phones are heralded as some of the top budget Android phones on the market. They strike a balance between affordable pricing and high-end technology, with a few compromises on hardware but impressive software and camera capabilities. The Pixel 7a, for instance, introduced a smoother 90 Hz display, enhanced cameras, and wireless charging support. Now let's delve into the upcoming Pixel 8a, which promises to bring even more substantial improvements to the series. One of the most noteworthy upgrades is the 120 Hz display, an improvement on the Pixel 7a's 90 Hz. The OLED panel also boasts 1,400 nits of peak HDR brightness, matching the specs of the higher-end Pixel 8. Both the Pixel 8a and 8 share the feature of sourcing their panel from two manufacturers, likely BOE and Samsung, suggesting similar performance levels. Moreover, the Pixel 8a has a design that aligns closer to the Pixel 8 series, demonstrated by the increased corner radius of the display. Both phones also share the support for DisplayPort output, a feature that was only recently enabled in a limited form in an Android 14 QPR3 beta release. Moving on to the camera, a key highlight of the Pixel A series. The Pixel 7a made a significant leap by moving away from the ancient 12MP Sony IMX. The Pixel 8a, 8, and 7a are all renowned for their superior photography capabilities, thanks to Google's advanced processing technology, despite the hardware typically lagging behind competitors. To summarize, the Google Pixel 8a, 8, and 7a offer impressive features at a reasonable price point. The 8a in particular brings major improvements to the A series, with a 120 Hz display, improved brightness, and support for DisplayPort output. The 8 and 7a, while slightly older, still offer robust features and performance. Therefore, if you're considering an upgrade, these Google Pixel phones should certainly be on your radar. Remember, the right phone for you depends on your individual needs and budget. But one thing is clear. With these Pixels, Google continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in a smartphone. So are you ready to take the plunge and upgrade to a Google Pixel? The choice is yours.